Hello and welcome to Raising the Bar with me, Mr. Bar. It's been a while. So today we're going to be looking at recurring decimals as fractions. So the first one, nice and easy, 0.3. Now what that really means is that it's 0.3, and that 3 just goes on forever. I want to get rid of that recurring decimal. I'm going to set this up and I'm going to say that that is an equation, let's call it x. Now, I could get rid of that. So if I took another number that also recurred in 3 away from it, then I could end up with getting rid of those recurrings. So let's say I times that original by 10, I would end up with 10x. 10x equals 3.3 recurring. Now, if I took them away, I would do 10x, take x, gives me 9x. And 3.3 recurring, take away 0.3 recurring, these cancel out. So I'm left with 3 take 0, which is 3. Which means that x is therefore 3 divided by 9, which is 1/3. For those of you who already knew that that was a third, you can see how I got there, but that's kind of proof. That's what we're doing when we're writing recurring decimals as fractions. Here, I've got 1.2, so let's set it up. Let's say x is equal to 1.222, because that's what's recurring. Okay? And I want to get rid of that 22222, so I'm going to have another number that is a 2 recurring on top of it. Okay? Now, I can't put 1 here because I would end up with just taking the same thing away. So I'm going to take this section and put it at the front. So I've got 12.22222 and 1.22222. Take them away from each other. These would cancel out. So I'm left with 12 take 1, which is 11. But how have I gone from 1.2 recurring to 12.2 recurring? I've times it by 10. So it's 10 lots of my original value. 10 take 1 is 9x. And therefore x is equal to 11 over 9. I can't simplify it. Now, you might end up with a more complicated one like this, but the principle is still the same. I'm going to set this up as x. X equals 3.042 recurring. Going on and on and on. 42, 42, 42, forever. Okay, now I want to get rid of this 42, 42, 42. So I need to put this whole thing in front of it. So 2, a 4, a 0, and a 3. Because these would cancel out. This whole block cancels out. So I'll be left with 2 take 0, which is 2, 4 take 3, which is 1, 0 take nothing, which is 0, and 3 take nothing, which is 3. Now, what have I done to go from 3 to 304? There are 2 decimal places, so I've actually multiplied it by 100x. The number of recurring symbols is what power of 10 you multiply it by. So that leaves me with 99x is equal to this. So x is equal to 301.2 over 99. But I don't like decimals, so I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to call that 3012, because I'm going to times this numerator by 10, I'm going to times this denominator by 10. So I get 990, and that's how you convert fractions, recurring decimals, to fractions. Not my best work, not my best video. I'm very tired. Just had a baby.